The buffer tool is helpful when you want to see a distance from a specific location. For example, if you want to see whether an address is located within 200 feet of the floodplain. Just click on the address to open the map tips. Click View Additional Details. Then click the 4 lines to the right of 911 addresses, and you'll see the Buffer Options tool. Type in the distance, and if you'd like to change the units, you can. And if you'd like to draw the buffer on the map, you'll check this box on. It's helpful to have the buffer draw on the map if you'd like to show it in a printed map later. When you're ready, click Continue, and the buffer tool will run, and you'll see our buffer on the map. And you'll see that it does not intersect with the floodplain. Since we added it as a drawing to our map, it's showing our drawings, and any other drawings would be listed here as well. But we can hit this back arrow and see anything that intersects with our buffer. From here, you could make a mailing list of all addresses that fall within 200 feet of your address by clicking these dots and scrolling down to export to your chosen format.